I'm sitting in a 19 Nissan Maxima. We're going to be programming in a prox key. We have no keys. And I'm going to show you how quick this can go. Go to Nissan, Maxima, key coding, 19, smart one, program key, yes. Now, once you press OK, you'll get a status bar. You come in here, you see the light will start blinking, and you'll get a tone. Once that happens, you're in programming mode. From this point, it's just a matter of touching the button and cycling your keys. The machine is all done. You don't have to do anything else with the machine. So what we do is we push that away. We're going to push the button and hold our follower in there. Okay, there's our 5 flashes. Turn it off. We're going to push the button again. Hold it over there. There it went. Turned on. Turn it off. Key programming complete. Start it up. And we're all done.